I've been pretty busy lately, and things have actually been pretty good. I recently got a new job. It's night shift, so my hours are all jacked up. I'm gonna have to borrow this tripod. Get this out of the way. If you have noticed, there hasn't really been any videos from last week because I had kind of a thing going on. Yeah. All right. This might make a lot of noise. So this week I'm gonna do behind the scenes, which you're watching right now. Surprise. And it's gonna be pretty neat, I think. Talk about all sorts of stuff. So let's talk about what I normally do to set up a video. It takes all sorts of it takes more time than I would like to because I can't leave everything where I want it to be. I live in a pretty small room. Yeah. So I just kind of have to work with what I have as far as space. And so I move everything out of the way whenever I'm done with the video, and I have to bring it back out. So I don't know where to put this. Oh, it takes some time, but just it's worth it. All right, we're setting up right now for the top-down bird's eye view shot video that we're gonna do. It's gonna be someone requested it. I'm gonna get all of the lighting set up and everything for the interview. The batteries are charging right now, so gotta wait for those to go, and then we'll get the tripod set up over here and do that after we do the introduction. I just need to grab a few things. I usually get I have 3 lights I set up, and in this video I'm going to use the tripod. We're going to go ahead and put it up on the chair. Make my weight. So for those of you that don't know, I currently, I don't know where I want this. I currently work out of a incredibly small room, and I'm not sure exactly when, but I'm going to likely move to a new city somewhere. Right now, I'm in Nashville, and I haven't moved to a new apartment because I don't want to lock myself down because I don't know if I want to be in Nashville in the next year. So for the overhead shot, well, I'll just get to it. So anyway, I've got a lot of plans, been very busy over the last many weeks, and should be getting more stuff done here shortly. Just I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a different lighting style for this video. Do just a 1-point light instead of 3-point. And see where it goes. All right, so far we've got all the lighting fixtures out. We're gonna move them over here behind the camera at an angle facing directly towards the chair. And when I do this, it's going to be not direct on, straight. It's going to be front lit, but over to the side, just a hair, just to give it a little bit more dimension. but I'm not going to use a hair light or a fill light or anything like that. It's just going to be single point lighting. We'll see, might be a little bit different, but I'm going to use that for the interview. Then I'm going to put the tripod and angle it up, and then use this chair to be the support for the tripod. And what that's going to do is I'm going to put some weight on here. We're going to extend the tripod as high as we can go, and then angle it down. So let's get to it. All right, let's see. Just gonna zoom in here. Oh, can't see it. Is it in there? I don't know if it's in the shot or not. It's hard to see from here. Come on. Come on. You can. Ah, there we go. There. Okay. I don't think I'm centered. Okay, just get there. Now the mic's off. Shit. Come on. Oh no. Turn the microphone. Hello. Hello. So for every shot that I do, I usually try to set up some lights, and I turn off. If you watch my lighting tutorials, you know, turn off the house lights because they don't look very good, and buy some cheap lights. If you have lamps, use lamps. Just use something other than what's in the ceiling, because unless you've got a really, really nice house with really good lighting, which most people don't. But if you do, awesome, you can use your house lights. But if not, you still want to get some lights because you want to be able to manipulate how your scene looks. How's it look? Pretty flat. Don't have a hair light. Well, I can't see anything right now. I have my glasses on. Let me get my glasses. I don't know if I like it. I think we need to crop in. It's all right, I guess. I already forgot. I already forgot what the question was that the guy. Hold on. I'll look it up. YouTube stuff. I don't need these anymore. Yeah, that hair light. I think it's too bright too. I think I need to turn down the exposure. Yeah, exposure's too high. Lighting is everything on how it's gonna end up looking. All right, this is gonna have to work. All right, question. Warfare Code. It was the guy. Sean Michael Jordan here, and today we're going to answer a question. Warfare Code says, please do a video on how to shoot overhead tabletop in bird's eye view. A complete tutorial with just a tripod. All right, I could not do the whole thing without a hair light. I just couldn't. So I'm gonna do this we're gonna do this YouTube thing with the mic right into the camera frame. So we'll do something different this time. I want to experiment a little bit with YouTube because I can, and let me put that there. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll actually move this out of the frame. I think it looks kind of tacky. I can't tell. It's so hard. That's what she said. Oh, I'm just messing all sorts of things up here. There we go. Maybe. Sean Michael Jordan here, and today we're going to tackle I always mess these up. Sean Michael Jordan here, and today we're going to tackle a question from a viewer. Warfare Code asks, can you please do a video on overhead tabletop and bird's eye view? And yes, we can. He asked to do it with just a tripod, with no rigs or fancy jibs or anything like that. So we're going to do it with just a tripod and some random stuff you can find at your house. All right, awesome. Now that that's over, all right, so a look at the setup that we have here. We have a jug of water on a chair, the tripod up in the air. The leg, I don't know if you can see it, is not completely on the ground. Sorry, fix this mic. And the tripod is simply leaning over the top here, and we've got the lights pretty much ready to go. The two lights behind the diffuser, and then we got this light gonna be bouncing off the wall, and then we'll go ahead and do the shot of the tripod and everything else. So here we go.